What happens to the mother or the father when the children go away? And perhaps that person has been in the home taking care of the kids. Now who are they? What happens to the vice president when he or she retires and is no longer the vice president? Who is that person now? What happens when the person who has an identity of being an attractive person grows older and changes take place and they're no longer look the way they used to look? What happens then? We're not these things. They're part of our personality, but they're not who we really are. Who are we really? You are consciousness. You are this sense of aliveness. You and I are expressions of infinite consciousness that underlies all form. Whatever you want to call that presence, it's expressing as you. Just like the ocean's expressing as the wave. You are an expression of that. Jesus the Christ said, "Is it not written, ye are gods," with a little g. He was referring to the Old Testament. Well, to the Hebrew teachings that he grew up with. Little gods with a little g. You are an expression of consciousness. See? So when we're not identifying ourselves with these different labels, when we're not thinking, I'm this, I'm that, but just aware, just being, that's who we really are. No labels, no judgments, just being. And in those moments, without labels, without thinking, there is an experience of pure consciousness, pure unconditioned being. Wouldn't you like to know that about yourself as much as possible? So that your well-being is not dependent on what happens in the economy, what happens with your body, which does change, what happens with your roles as they change. Of course you would. Of course you would want that stability. Part of your consciousness, an aspect of your consciousness, is your awareness. You are aware. Hopefully, right now, you are awake, and your attention is present. Your awareness is focused, which becomes attention. And here's the power of that. What you focus your awareness on, you learn more about. Not only do you learn more about, but what you focus your attention on actually will help it change for the better. That's why it's so powerful. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.